Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about the fashion choices of the rising star in the Indian film industry, Priyanka Mohan. The actress has graced a magazine cover shoot, capturing multiple snapshots of herself in an exquisite pink dress. Her charming poses to the camera, basked in natural sunlight, are sure to captivate any viewer. However, it is the alluring baby pink rose adorning her hair that steals the show, leaving fans in awe of her stunning appearance. The actress is known for her stylish and trendy looks. She has been seen wearing a variety of outfits ranging from traditional Indian wear to Western outfits. Her fashion choices are a perfect blend of comfort and style. Priyanka has been seen wearing traditional Indian outfits like saris and salwar kameez. She is often seen in brightly colored saris with intricate designs and embroidery work. She has also been seen wearing fusion outfits that blend traditional and modern styles. The beauty has been seen wearing a variety of Western outfits including dresses, jumpsuits, and pantsuits. She is known for her bold and experimental fashion choices and is often seen wearing unique designs and patterns. Clad in an elegant blush pink sari crafted by Anvila, Priyanka exuded effortless beauty. The handwoven sari featured a plain texture, with no embellishments or designs to detract from its innate charm. The subtle piping in a slightly darker shade accentuated the understated appeal of the ensemble, showcasing minimalism at its finest. To complement the sari, she opted for a floral blouse adorned with pink motifs, keeping her choice of jewelry to a minimum with a matching pair of delicate pink earrings. Her simple hairdo, complemented by a bindi, kohl-rimmed eyes, and nude lips, added a touch of timeless elegance to her overall look. Draped in a gorgeous black sari, she looked nothing short of stunning. The sari boasts a half-and-half design, with half of the material made from organza and the other half adorned with zari. The plain black organza half is elegantly bordered with gold zari, which also extends to the pleats for added glamour. The pre-stitched patchwork borders make it easy to carry the sari with grace. Accompanying the sari was a sleeveless black blouse, perfectly complementing the outfit. Her choice of jewelry was impeccable, with diamond and pearl-studded earrings, a choker, a ring, and a couple of bangles. To complete the look, she opted for a low-tied ponytail with smoky eyes, blushed cheeks, and nude lips, exuding confidence and elegance. For the occasion at hand, she opted to adorn a stunning ivory sari from Shanti Benares. The Banarsi sari features a plain body, allowing the attention to be drawn to the hemlines and borders. The hemline boasts solid piping, while the borders are embellished with intricate hand-embroidered motifs in zari. The pallu is draped in rich gold zari, with tassels providing a lovely finishing touch. Accompanying the sari is a silk blouse, elegantly sleeveless. Complementing the outfit perfectly are a pair of antique gold earrings and a set of bangles from Amrapali. To complete the look, she chose a low-tied ponytail, contoured cheeks, lined eyes, and glossy lips, exuding grace and sophistication. Priyanka Arul Mohan, the lead actress of the movie, donned a beautiful blush pink floral sari for its promotional events. The light-hued drape is adorned with delicate floral motifs in multiple hues, lending a graceful and elegant touch to the otherwise simple sari. She paired the sari with a matching sleeveless blouse featuring multicolored stripes, adding a playful element to the ensemble. Her accessories included a set of rice pearl-studded oxidized silver earrings and bangles, complementing the sari perfectly. To complete the look, she chose a low-tied ponytail, with blushed cheeks, kohl-rimmed eyes, a bindi, and nude lips, exuding charm and sophistication. Priyanka absolutely slayed the look at the event in her stunning yellow dhoti set. The two-piece set features a peplum top and a silk dhoti, with the former adorned with exquisite gotu lines all over its body. The dhoti, on the other hand, is kept plain, allowing the peplum top to take center stage. The scallop top boasts intricate hand-embroidered detailing along its border, adding to its sparkling charm. Priyanka's jewelry choices included a pair of oxidized silver earrings, a set of bangles, and a ring, while her pair of gold slip-on heels complemented the outfit perfectly. The finishing touches included a simple hairdo, with kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, and maroon lips, exuding grace and elegance. She donned a striking red sari by Fabiana, which was from their Aina collection. The pleated sari's beauty lies in its simplistic and elegant design, without any unnecessary embellishments. The pleats added to the beauty of the sari, enhancing its charm. She paired the sari with a plain silk halter neck blouse. Her accessories were minimalistic and included only a pair of bold statement earrings and a set of diamond-studded gold bracelets by Tifara. She completed the look with a wavy hairdo, kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, and nude lips, exuding effortless grace and charm. She donned an ivory sari from Jade by Monica and Karishma for the occasion. The sari features sheer panels in different textures, ranging from plain tulle to sequined ones. The self-colored sequined sari also boasts a lace-detailed panel with intricate floral motifs. She completed the look with a matching halter neck blouse, embellished with the same detailing as the sari. While she skipped any neckpiece, she adorned a pair of diamond-studded earrings and rings by AVS Swarna Mahal. The look was rounded off with a simple hairdo, winged eyes and nude lips. Priyanka Arul Mohan received a lehenga each as a recognition of their contributions. The lehenga is embellished with floral motifs intricately embroidered on its body, adorned with mirrors and sequins to give it a stunning effect. A sheer organza dupatta complements the attire. She chose to accessorize the look with a pair of earrings. Priya, on the other hand, opted for a simple chiffon sari in light and dark shades of blue. The sari, though minimalistic, has a Zadozi work border that adds to its elegance. She paired it with a sleeveless blouse and matching earrings, completing the look with finesse. She adorned an ivory jacket set from Chandrima for the occasion. The two-piece outfit comprises a panel top in jacket style paired with a pleated lehenga. The top is adorned with colorful floral motifs in cutwork and beadwork, while the lehenga features similar detailing towards the hemline. She chose not to wear a dupatta with the set. To complement her look, she wore matching earrings and a ring. She completed her look with a simple hairdo, minimal makeup and nude lips, which added to her beauty. Priyanka is not afraid to experiment with bold and bright colors. She has been seen wearing outfits in shades of pink, yellow, orange, and green. Her love for bright colors adds a fun and vibrant touch to her overall style. The actress loves to accessorize her outfits with statement jewelry. Priyanka seen wearing chunky necklaces, oversized earrings, and bold bangles. Her jewelry choices add a touch of glamour and sophistication to her outfits. Priyanka's fashion choices are always comfortable yet stylish. She often opts for flowy fabrics and loose-fitting clothes that allow her to move freely. Her outfits are a perfect blend of comfort and style. She loves wearing crop tops with high-waisted pants, skirts, and shorts. She usually opts for fitted crop tops that accentuate her curves. She likes wearing crop tops in solid colors as well as with bold prints. The actress is often seen wearing high-waisted pants, which give her a sophisticated and chic look. She usually pairs them with crop tops or fitted blouses. Priyanka seen wearing oversized blazers with shorts, pants, and dresses. She wears them in neutral colors like black, white, or beige, which give her a classic and timeless look. Priyanka has been seen wearing maxi dresses in a variety of colors and prints. She wears them with strappy sandals or wedges for a summery and feminine look. She often wears midi skirts, which give her a sophisticated and elegant look. She usually pairs them with fitted blouses or crop tops. The actress has been seen wearing denim jackets with dresses, pants, and skirts. She wears them in classic blue or black denim, which give her a casual and effortless look. She has seen wearing printed t-shirts with jeans, shorts, and skirts. She usually opts for graphic t-shirts with bold prints or slogans. The actress has been seen wearing leather jackets with dresses, pants, and skirts. She wears them in black or brown leather, which give her a cool and edgy look. Priyanka often wears wrap dresses, which flatter her figure and give her a feminine and elegant look. She pairs them with strappy sandals or heels. Priyanka seen wearing jumpsuits with plunging necklines, which give her a sexy and daring look. Priyanka Mohan pairs them with statement earrings and bold makeup. The actress has been seen wearing flared pants, which give her a retro and bohemian look. The actress pairs them with fitted tops and high heels. The actress seen wearing fringe jackets, which give her a western and bohemian look. She wears them with jeans or shorts and ankle boots. The beauty has been seen wearing ruffle skirts, which give her a romantic and feminine look. The beauty pairs them with fitted blouses or crop tops. Priyanka has been seen wearing sheer blouses, which give her a delicate and ethereal look. She usually wears them with high-waisted pants or skirts. The actress has been seen wearing embellished jackets, which give her a glamorous and luxurious look. She often wears them with simple outfits to let the jacket be the centerpiece. The actress has been seen wearing polka dot dresses, which give her a playful and retro look. The actress pairs them with heels or flats. The beauty has been seen wearing wide leg pants, which give her a sophisticated and chic look. She pairs them with fitted tops or blouses. Priyanka has been seen wearing off-shoulder tops, which give her a flirty and feminine look. The beauty pairs them with high-waisted pants or skirts. The actress shared some pictures of herself wearing a pink lehenga set by Nishar Ahmed from their Pavas collection. The lehenga had a plain body with no embellishments, but its border had intricate dori work, marodi, and zadozi work. A deep neck blouse and a scalloped dupatta with similar adornments completed the ensemble. Her jewelry consisted of a pair of antique gold earrings with pink stone accents and a set of bangles from Jaipur gems. She finished off the look with a low ponytail, kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, and nude lips. Priyanka Mohan has seen wearing lace dresses, which give her a delicate and romantic look. She pairs them with heels or flats. She has been seen wearing animal print tops, which give her a bold and daring look. The beauty pairs them with neutral colored pants or skirts. The actress seen wearing high-low dresses, which give her a trendy and chic look. She usually pairs them with heels or ankle boots. She likes wearing striped shirts, which give her a classic and timeless look. The actress pairs them with jeans or high-waisted pants. The actress has been seen wearing culottes, which give her a sophisticated and chic look. She often pairs them with fitted tops or blouses. Priyanka seen wearing sequin dresses, which give her a glamorous and luxurious look. She wears them with simple accessories and heels. The actress has been seen wearing velvet blazers, which give her a luxurious and sophisticated look. She loves pairs them with simple outfits to let the blazer be the centerpiece. The queen has been seen wearing statement belts, which give her a bold and daring look. She usually wears them with dresses or high-waisted pants. Priyanka seen wearing wide-brimmed hats, which give her a bohemian and stylish look. Mohan wears them with dresses or wide-leg pants. She has seen wearing oversized sunglasses, which give her a glamorous and stylish look. She usually wears them with casual outfits or dresses. The actress seen wearing trench coats, which give her a sophisticated and chic look. Priyanka Arul Mohan pairs them with high-waisted pants or dresses. The beauty has been seen wearing fitted blouses, which give her a classic and timeless look. The actress pairs them with wide-leg pants or skirts. Priyanka Mohan seen wearing leather jackets, which give her edgy and rebellious look. She usually pairs them with jeans or dresses. She seen wearing high-neck tops, which give her a sophisticated and elegant look. She usually pairs them with wide-leg pants or skirts. Priyanka wearing jumpsuits, which give her a chic and trendy look. She loves pairs them with heels or ankle boots. The actress wearing printed blazers, which give her a bold and stylish look. The actress pairs them with neutral colored pants or skirts. Priyanka wearing turtleneck sweaters, which give her a cozy and sophisticated look. The beauty pairs them with jeans or wide-leg pants. The actress seen wearing maxi skirts, which give her a bohemian and feminine look. She usually pairs them with fitted blouses or crop tops. Priyanka wearing cropped jackets, which give her a trendy and youthful look. She likes pairs them with high-waisted pants or skirts. Priyanka seen wearing lace-up heels, which give her a chic and stylish look. She usually wears them with dresses or wide-leg pants. Priyanka Mohan exudes grace and elegance in this stunning traditional sari attire. With her regal poise and breathtaking beauty, she stuns in this gorgeous sari ensemble. The perfect blend of tradition and style, Priyanka Mohan's mesmerizing look in this sari is truly timeless. The stunning photo captures her radiating beauty and sophistication draped in this gorgeous sari. Her ethereal beauty and captivating smile steal the spotlight, making this traditional sari look even more stunning. Priyanka opted for a stunning red anarkali for her latest promotional event. The Angrakha-style anarkali is embellished with intricate cut-dana buttons in gold, while the surplus neckline features pearl-studded florets arranged in a beautiful design. It comes with churi bottoms and a contrasting beige dupatta that has cut-dana work spread all over it. She accessorized with a pair of oxidized silver earrings and a ring, and paired the outfit with gold sandals. Her hair was styled in a braided gajra adorned bun, with kohl-rimmed eyes, blushed cheeks, a bindi and nude lips completing her look. Priyanka donned a gorgeous purple lehenga set for the occasion. The tulle lehenga is adorned with intricate stone and beaded panels that lend it an ethereal quality. The sleeveless blouse, matching the lehenga, features a beautiful blend of double-colored patches and mirror work near the hem. Completing the ensemble is a sheer dupatta decorated with stones and sequined beads. She opted for a simple yet elegant look with only a pair of uncut diamond-studded earrings as her accessory. The finishing touches included a low-tied bun, contoured cheeks, lined eyes, and muted lips. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos.